Yeah, let me stop playing with y'all. Let me stop playing. Y'all, let me stop playing with y'all. Oh my goodness, it's early. Everybody gone. There ain't nobody here but me. You know, I'm gonna go back in the house and chillax. This our last still ain't on right. Oh well, I ain't going nowhere. It's cool, I can say it like that. Yeah. Yes, I'm about to go in the house, y'all. I just like sitting on my porch with my eyelash. I didn't put enough glue on it. I'll fix it later. But yeah, I'm just sitting out here. They acting across the street. Those squatters across the street. They ain't wilding out this morning. They're not wilding out, so that's good. That's a great thing, because you already know yesterday they was out here. My granddaughter said they was out here trying to fight a 15-year-old walking past. You know, when they was just walking past their house, they came outside trying to fight a 15-year-old yesterday. I'm like, oh Lord, please don't. Please, y'all. It's not even summertime yet, so I'm not. You know, I'm not too excited about what I feel like is gonna happen, what it's gonna be like across there, because yeah, nobody on the porch or anything like that. I didn't hear them this morning, so we gonna see. Cause I don't know, like, oh, you know, I think I'm gonna take my plants in the house, because I'm gonna I had them like sealed down to the table so they wouldn't, you know, when the wind blows, it don't make them fall off or fly away. So they're not sealed down, seeing the wind is blowing. I feel like they're gonna fly off my porch, so I'm gonna take them in the house, and then later on I'm gonna come out here and seal them down. But I just wanted to come on here and mess with y'all a little bit. You know what I mean? Because everybody gone, so I'm gonna go ahead and find me a Lifetime movie. and chillax until later on. So, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoy just watching me enjoying my porch and enjoying the weather, because this is what I'm doing right now. This is what I do, okay? Because listen, just got to enjoy it every day. Got to enjoy it, whether it's rain, shine, whatever that God gives us. That's what we need to enjoy it and be thankful. So, and I definitely am. So I'm just out here. You know, I be needing this. I be needing this so much. This alone time, me time, whatever time you want to call it. I say me time, baby, because this is exactly what I be needing. And cause these kids, boy, I'm trying to tell you. And they about to be out in a couple weeks. So for 3 months. Y'all finna hit the liquor store like I ain't never hit it before. Hear me? That's what I'm finna do. Alright? That part. But it's not too bad out today. It's a little windy, a little chilly. Sun is out, but it's not too bad. It's not like for a reason cold, but it is chilly. It's chilly. So I'm finna go back in the house. But I will talk to y'all later. Once the kids get home and everything like that there. Alright? Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, share, thumbs up, turn on post notification buttons, keep it on, smash it. So that way you can get my little, what I'm doing, my little content, my little videos I upload here on YouTube. And yes, I just want to say good day, have a good day, have a good weekend, have a great weekend. You know, be safe if you plan on going out in the streets. Be safe. You know, whatever you're going to plan to do this weekend, just be safe, okay? All right. And we'll talk.